I got this beautiful wooden garden chair for free. You can see why they might have gotten rid of it. It is covered in lichen. It's missing several slats. There's one missing, there's two missing. I thought there was three. Oh yeah, here's the third one missing. See, it's absolutely covered, but it's gorgeous. And I'm not seeing many of any screws, so it's all put together just with joints and glue. So this is a really pretty piece. I'm gonna start with just a stiff bristle brush and plain old water. Let's see what that does. All right, the chair restoration is finally done. It looks so much better. It's obviously not perfect, like it has some drip marks there, and where I put glue, the stain didn't hold in the glue marks. But what do you think?
I think it's good.
Can you sit in it? Is it gonna be a good chair for our front lawn? Yeah, we can watch the beautiful sun. We can throw the ball for the doggy out here. Give me a thumbs up and a big smile. Love you.